Mm. Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the communication system that is channel models. In this channel model, we are discussing three components that is sender, receiver, and medium. Sender sends the information, and the receiver receives the information. Medium, area is the channel that transfer data from one place to another place. In this case study video, discussing lossless channel, binary, binary symmetric channel, and binary uh, eraser channel. Otherwise, you send the sender port easier.
Uh, Hi, I'm going to act like a center. So sender can be any device or the sender will be any device. They will be sending a message through the device. The message may be in the form of text, audio, video, or even binary digits like zeros and ones. This sender will send the message to the channel, and the channel transmits the message from the sender to the receiver. So in this, we are going to see about how the channel senses the senses the message and sends it to the receiver without any noise, affecting the communication. The communication is nothing but the message which is sent by me to the receiver. So let us see in detail about how the message is affected, or which method will be more useful and effective for noise cancellation during the communication.
Nishantini, you tell about a noiseless channel in the communication system.
Hello everyone, I am representing the noiseless channel. Noiseless channel is an ideal channel where there is no noisy disturbance. Whatever message is sent by the sender is received exactly the same by the receiver. There is no loss of information or no error in transmission.
In communication system, receiver bot tell about you. Akavesi.
Hello everyone, I am going to act as a receiver in the communication systems. My job is receives the message. It receives the message from the send by the center. It is understood it correctly. It is depends on the good step of the channel models. If the model is noiseless, I receive the message correctly without any mistakes. It's I am a binary. If I have a binary, the channel is the binary symmetric channels. I receives them. The receives the noise. It will change. I receive a wrong bits. If the channel is a binary eraser channels, it may sometimes change the bits. I receives the lost for the lost or missing bits. From this case series, it shows the channel is plays in crucial roles in the communication system. It helps the engineers to find the errors, creating the binary codes, and improves the reliability of the communication.
Binary eraser channel in communication system.
Hello everyone, I'm going to represent a binary erase channel. So here the binary erase channel, the sender will send the data in the form of zeros and ones. Most of the time it will get a bit correctly, but sometimes because of the noise and the signal losses and the network problems, the bit will not keep correctly. So in this it represents a syntax like a eraser with an ASCII. So the important thing is here that receivers do not know the data is missing. So this is makes a difference between the binary erase channels and also with the difference of binary symmetric channel. So it for a real world example, the packet losses in the internet. So while packet losses during a transmissions, so it will know, the system will tell them that resend the data because they do not know the data is being lost. So it is most useful for a communication system.
Yeah, I'm acting at the binary symmetry channel and also DST. In this channel, output and input are binary, meaning the 1 and 0 are transmit due to the NAS channel. The transmit get flop and the 0 become once and once become 0. This happen uncertain probability is called error probability. And for example, senders send the 0 and receiver receive the ones. It will be the noise channel will not accept and and sender send 0 and the receiver get 1. It will be the accept of noise channel.
Thank you, students, for sharing your knowledge for case study video in communication channel. Thank you so much.